Hi, my name is Louise and I'm going to show you how to install the baby Luno Nordic Footmuff Pram Liner. I like to use the back flap to put around the pram when installing just to keep it in place. Open the footmuff up, put the harness through the back holes. You have Velcro at the top. You can put the harness through the Velcro or any part in the hole. Down the bottom you have 2 holes depending on how big your baby is. And then you got the holes at the sides for a 5-point harness. Strap your baby in and then zip up. I like to then take it down off the back flap, but you can definitely use the back flap all the time if you want. The bow comes off and then you can fold it down using the buttons if you need a bit more air on warmer days. You can keep unzipping, keep unfolding, or you can take the whole top off as well if it gets warm. And this is a great option for autumn or spring that still gives off a little bit of warmth. You can take the fur off, roll it back if you want, and then you can turn it inside out in summer and use as a water-resistant pram liner, which is great when snacking or you're down the beach or by the pool. Just thread the harness through the exact same way.